Pelars project is an EU-funded Framework 7 project. Pelars stands for Practice-Based Experiential Learning, Analytics, Research and Support. But essentially we're looking at what happens when people are learning and making in relation to physical computing. And the goal of the project is to develop a learning analytics system that can look at groups of students working on open-ended problem-solving based projects.
I was delighted as Head of Design at NCD to see the institution working on a project such as Pelars, particularly pertinent given the fact that it blended pedagogy together with design research. At the National College of Art and Design, we're always seeking to work on projects that expose our talented design researchers and academics to work on live projects.
The project is made up of 12 partners across 10 EU countries. We are all working together, but we're coming from a range of disciplines and areas. So there are experts in pedagogy, engineering, interaction design, hardware and software development, and our own expertise, education and furniture environments. The project has seen great collaboration across all of these partners through regular General Assembly meetings, but also through a series of trials where we've been able to test our prototypes, gather user feedback, and essentially adopt an agile and iterative approach to developing the final system that we see here now.
A large part of the design process was all about observation and going in and observing how people are working and how people are learning and how the environment is working, how we can improve on that. And a few that really highlighted to us that we wanted to improve upon: the peer-to-peer learning between the students, but also the teacher and the learner.
We have an extensive range and expertise in design research capacity and capability within NCAD. NCAD is a recognised college, a University College Dublin, and as such we're uniquely placed to bring the very best of an art school education and design expertise together with that of a comprehensive research-led institution.
We educate students in relation to interaction design, product design and medical device design. And across all of these we have a focus on studio-based learning that is driven by projects. Within these projects there's a continual opportunity to engage with industry and academic research partners. Two of the key areas of focus within that, I suppose, are our ability to conduct good human-centered research, and so to understand human behaviour and how people interact with each other and the objects and systems in relation to that. We use those methods across from undergraduate through to PhD and funded research projects. They have broad application in relation to industry and academia in terms of understanding human needs in the development of products, services and user experiences.
We really tried to prototype as much as possible, so build and make and actually functionally go and place it into a real life learning environment so that we can observe and analyse the use of those prototypes and get real life feedback.
At NCD we've got a really interesting mix of making, thinking and doing, and bringing those together to create a design research culture that enables our staff and students and partners to work on projects that address the challenges of the 21st century.
Within the product design department we've built a particular competency in relation to task analysis and movement analysis. And that allows us to build a deep understanding how people interact with each other, how they interact with their spaces and objects within those spaces.
Being able to work on the Pelars project, it's built an amazing legacy for the institution and our partners to commercialise that research and work with partners such as Enterprise Ireland to bring these amazing design concepts to the real world, to the market. So we're not just designing for people, but we're designing with people.